Good morning, fifth class. You know very well that in exam, your first question will be unseen passage. Unseen passage means the reading comprehension. One passage will be there, and on the basis of the reading of that passage, you have to answer the questions that are given below. The questions will be in the form of MCQ, so you have to read the passage very thoroughly and give the answer as per that. So today one passage is there. We are going to read this passage, and on the basis of that the questions are there. So we have to fill that question. The passage is very much from your grammar book. It is reading skills, reading comprehension. Example number 1. Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar, a legendary cricketer, won't play for India again. He played his last test match, his 200th, at the Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai. The match was the second of the series of the two matches between India and West Indies. India won it by an innings and 126 runs. The match ended on November 16, 2013. The god of cricket, as Sachin is called, was given a treatful farewell by the audience. The same day, Sachin was selected for Bharat Ratna Award, which is the country's highest civilian award honor. He is the first sportsman and the youngest person in India to get this honor. During 24 years of his cricketing career, Tendulkar set many records. He holds the record for scoring the highest number of runs, 18,426 in one day. International cricket, he also holds the record for the highest number of runs in the Test cricket, 15,921. He has maximum Test centuries 51 and the maximum ODI centuries 49 in his credit. To his credit. Now see page 127, it is in your book. The questions are there. How many test matches did Sachin play? So it is in the second line of the passage, 200. Second, name the team against which Sachin played his last test match. So India, see the second and third line. The match was second of the series of two matches between India and the West Indies, means the team was West Indies. Third question, on which date was Sachin selected for Bharat Ratna Award? So what was the date? The date was also the same. It was November 16, 2013. Fourth question, for how many years did Sachin play international cricket? So he played international cricket for 24 years. And the last one question is there. What is the total number of centuries scored by Sachin in international cricket? So the answer is 100. Fine. So in this way you have to write the answer. You will get the option and you have to take on the right option. Now see the second. One more passage is there. It is second passage. This is the story of a man who thought he had a right to do what he liked. One day this gentleman was walking along a busy road, spinning his walking stick round and round in his hand and trying to look important. A man walking behind him objected. You ought not to spin your walking stick round and round like that, he said. I am free to do what I like with my walking stick, argued the gentleman. Of course you are, said the other man, but you ought to know that your freedom ends where my nose begins. The story tells us that we can enjoy our rights and our freedoms only if they do not interfere with other people's rights and freedom. So see, the questions are there on the basis of that. See the first question. The story of a man who thought he was a gentleman, he had a right to do what he liked, he had a right to walk along a busy road, he could spin his walking stick round and round. So, what is the right answer? B is the right answer. He had a right to do what he liked. The second one, the gentleman was moving his walking stick too. Walk along the road, look important, make himself free, or hurt other people only to show that I am important. Look important. Third part, a man walking behind the gentleman laughed, argued, objected, or agreed. So the answer is objected. The fourth one is we can enjoy our rights and freedom only when we are free to do what we like, when we can defend our rights, when we know the meaning of freedom, when they do not interfere with other people's rights and freedom. And the fifth one question, if they do not interfere with other, they here refers to rights and freedom, rights, other people, the gentleman and the other man. So the answer is rights and freedom. So in this way we have solved two passages, and in the same way you have to read the passage and you have to make a tick on the question that is most suitable for your question. Tick the answer that is most suitable for your question. So I hope you will do it. Thank you.